Hello, welcome back to Pipe Bending College. Today, using the Monument Masters, I am going to teach you how to bend some pipe to pass over an object, in this case, a wooden block. So for this, I have just cut 700 millimeters of course, 15 millimeter copper pipe. We need to mark half the length of it. So half of 700 is 350 millimeters, which is there, so 35 centimeters. Right, so we then measure half the block. So half the block's width, so the block is 150 millimeters. And half of 150 millimeters is 75 millimeters. And we then line up the two middles, so the middle of the pipe and the middle of the block of wood. And we then mark on the pipe the end of the block here, and we mark here. Okay, we're bending this 30, 30, we're bending it back 30 and back 30, but of course we've got to measure and mark it out first. We use McEwen's table to help us bend these two bends so they end up being the centre of a 30-degree bend. Right, so looking at the chart, we need to measure back 23 millimeters and 23 millimeters. It's looking like that. So I've measured back 23 mil, 23 mil, like that so far. Right, we then get our Monument Master pipe benders and our pipe that we've marked out. We separate the benders. When we put the pipe into the pipe bender, so one of the measured back marks, so that's the edge of the block. We measured back 23 mil. The edge should just be there, just touching the edge of the stop. There, like that. We then put this pipe bender. We then put the handle and the guide on like that. We then proceed to bend the pipe 30 degrees. Okay. So when it touches at the end of the second line on the benders here, that's 30 degrees. We're now going to bend this side downwards. And so the measured back mark, so that's the edge. Right, okay, so we put it back into the pipe bender. So that's the edge of the block, and that's our 23 mil we measured back. So it's looking like this so far in the pipe bender. So we're going to bend this back round 30 degrees. But before we bend it, we need to make sure that everything is straight. So for example, that's not straight. That's obviously not straight there. So when it all sort of in line, you can look, because with these pipe benders, you can sort of look, you can look down the, you can look, you have to sort of make sure it's all in line, which is there. And we can then proceed to bend this one, also 30 degrees. So same angle as before. Just bent it to there. Take it out. So that's what we've got so far. The block is 50 millimeters high. So what we do, put a ruler underneath, so it's 50 mil here, and also put a ruler underneath, so it's 50 mil here. So just from a different angle. $50 mil. Okay, 50 mil. Right, so once you've got that 50 mil, you can then draw a line, like that, like that. Right, so we then put our pipe back into the pipe bender. Okay, so it's going to be like this way up. Right, what we want is just, I'll take it out just for a second, is we want this line, so we want the line we just drew just to touch like the edge of the former, just to be touching the edge of the former like that. Right, so before we bend this pipe back 30 degrees, we need to make sure that everything is in alignment. So that's not in alignment. So I'm looking down, so I'm sort of looking through just looking through the pipe, making sure everything's straight. And we then proceed to bend the pipe back 30 degrees. Okay. Which is there, like that. Right, so just like before, we want the line we drew just to touch the edge of the former, which is there, like that. Right, so we'll line it all up, and we're going to then proceed to bend this back round 30 degrees. Which is there. That's what we then do. Middle to middle, middle, middle. What we then do, that's in the middle there. Push it all in to have a look. Right, so as you can see, the middle lines up. Centre of the bend is there, lines up. Centre of the bend there. 50mm. Now you know how to bend some pipe to pass over an object. It's your turn to have a go.